Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to upload YouTube Shorts on iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, record or prepare your short video and open the YouTube app on your iPhone. After that, sign into your YouTube account if you have not already done so. Then you can see the plus icon available in the bottom. Simply tap on it to start the video upload process. After you tap on the plus icon, you can select or record your video. You'll be given options to either record a new video or select an existing video from your iPhone's gallery. So choose the video you want to upload, or you can simply create a video. After that, trim your video to make sure it's less than 60 seconds long. If needed, you can also add filters, music, or text overlays using the editing tools provided in the YouTube app. So you can see there is shorts, videos, and other option available right below the red button. So make sure that you are on the shorts option. Tap on the shorts option there. Then after that, you can simply continue with the process. Let's record a video just for an example for now. So after you record the video, all you have to do is continue with the process. And now you can edit the videos using the editing tools of the YouTube. After that, again continue with the process. Now enter a title and description for YouTube short. Make sure to include relevant keywords to help your video reach a wider audience. So you can add relevant tags to help viewers discover your YouTube short as well. Then simply tap on the upload your video or upload button to upload your YouTube shorts to your channel. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.